Hello dear fans. What serotonin is responsible for? Serotonin is called the hormone of happiness, although this substance plays the role of a hormone only when it enters the bloodstream, but in the brain it has the function of a neurotransmitter, a conductor that is involved in converting signals sent from one part of the brain to another. Serotonin is responsible for a person's social behavior, for his mood, including the feeling of happiness, for libido, appetite. Instructions. Step 1. Neurotransmitters are biologically active substances consisting of certain chemical elements that are involved in the transmission of impulses from nerve cells in the brain to other parts of the body or brain regions. Serotonin also belongs to them. It directs certain information to different parts of the brain, regulating various areas of activity. Step 2. This substance is produced in the human body from the amino acid tryptophan, which enters with food and is absorbed into the blood from the gastrointestinal tract. In the human brain, there is a special section, the so-called pineal gland, in which neurotransmitters are synthesized from tryptophan. When serotonin enters the bloodstream, it performs the functions of a hormone, that is, it takes part in many physiological processes in the body that take place in various organs and systems. Step 3. As a neurotransmitter, serotonin is responsible for the work of nerve cells in the brain that regulate mood, memory, sleep, appetite, libido, and social behavior. First of all, the amount of this substance affects mood, for which it was nicknamed the hormone of happiness. With a lack of serotonin, the level of anxiety and irritability increases. With normal production, a good mood is observed, life seems richer, stress is better tolerated. The active synthesis of serotonin can explain the sharp increase in mood after eating chocolate. Glucose promotes the production of insulin, which increases the level of tryptophan in the blood compared to other amino acids, which is why serotonin begins to be produced more actively. Step 4. Serotonin regulates the work of nerve cells that are responsible for body temperature. It is involved in the activity of the nervous system and the thyroid gland. Serotonin is very important during breastfeeding, as it also takes part in milk production. In addition, he is responsible for the correct flow of the process of childbirth and contraction of the uterus. Serotonin acts on the endocrine system, takes some part in the work of muscles, stimulates the muscles of the respiratory tract and intestines, ensuring normal intestinal permeability. With a normal level of serotonin, a person is able to tolerate pain relatively easily. With a deficiency, the pain system becomes more sensitive. Serotonin is involved in the synthesis of hormones in the pituitary gland. Under its action, prolactin, thyroid-stimulating hormone, and other substances are produced. Thanks for watching.